everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to edit your Google Docs offline on smartphone. So if you have a problem with your internet connection and if you want to edit a certain document on Google Docs offline, you just need to follow these steps that I'm about to tell you. First, open your Google Docs app on your phone. Okay, here for example, I want to edit this file, my file, okay, this one. Okay, when you open a certain file but you lost your internet connection, you just need to allow the app to edit it offline by clicking the three dots icon at the top right, and then you'll find this option available offline. You just need to activate this feature by clicking the circle right here until it turns to blue. Okay, let's see. Okay, if this available offline feature is activated, you can edit the file with no internet connection. So that's not a problem if you don't have the internet connection. Okay, I think that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click like and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.